What's up, everybody? This is Gladiator Gaming here with a special guest. You can talk.
Greetings.
I don't know why he doesn't want to talk right now, but he can talk. So I don't know how long this is gonna be, but I honestly don't care. Brett, you usually get one upgrade per thing, right? Why don't you want to talk?
Do you want to hug?
Not right now. This is zombie mode, Parker. Just careful, careful, careful. Well, how many are there? Wait, did you die, special guest? I'm guessing he did. But how many hits can these things take? Like a billion? And what, there's still more? Oh great, of course there is.
Victory.
Special guest, can you move out of the way so then I can do an upgrade?
Sorry.
It's okay. In my opinion, the bow is the best thing in this game, am I right, special guest? Bow?
We're done.
Oh, you don't talk. The spear and the bow are the best thing. The bow and the spear are literally the best things for this game mode. No joke. Because you can bow spam, and then the spear can attack them from far away. Yeet. Special guest, get spear upgrades when you don't die. When doing a group like this, use a sword. The best thing you can use. I think you should get fire, special guest, so then they burn. I'm gonna get wider arrows so then I can like shred them in groups. Yeah, well done to you too. Wider arrows. You get fire spear so then if you hit them you can deal more damage. Oh, friendly fire's off so you can't kill me. And I can't kill you. No, it's not. We have to fight the enemies. Come on, please hit something, arrows, bro. Bro, you're mowing them down. Make sure you don't die, special guest. Okay, next upgrade I'm probably gonna get energy.
Victory.
Yeah, I gotta get in. No, fog, bruh. But I mean, like, I wish I could bow spam a little more. Oh, you got a shield? Nice. I got better energy, so then I can bow spam. Oh, shoot, they have armor. Special guest, are you okay? Okay, yeah, you're doing okay.
Victory.
Let's go. We're gonna get fire arrows. Yeah, well done to you too. This video is gonna be as long as until we beat this. Fire arrows. Next upgrade, I'm probably gonna get water arrows, so then the fire arrows can actually deal a lot more damage. What did you get? Huh? Oh, finally the special guest would like to talk. Special guest, aka my brother. I'm not sassy with you. I'm trying to kill the zombies that are holding me. Oh, sure, why not? Yeet. Oh, no, I missed. Oh, friendly fire! Let's go. They friendly fire each other, but we can't friendly fire each other. Oh, jeez, you die. Come on, burn him to death. Yes, sir. Okay, where is he? Yeet.
That's secret of the map.
Okay, cool.
We'll play endless mode on solo.
Yeet.
No longer this running camera, right? Push on to
Yeet.
right? So if you like go to where the runway is,
Got him.
the current human. It's a nice fact.
Hey, what? There's more? Where?
It's in the from above.
Oh, there he is. Boy, stop dodging all my bullets.
The guy looks like
Bro, he's literally just hopping and dodging all my bullets.
yeah, no. But he likes it all.
There we go. What? Should have died.
His eye. We shoot his eye.
It's hard to when he's bouncing.
Victory.
There we go. I'm probably gonna get more energy or water arrows. Water arrows. So that I can just shoot them way fast, so then I can actually hit them way more often.
Let's fight.
Yeet!
Yeah! Yeah!
Did you just instantly just die?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. Bro, how isn't this robot dead yet? Yeet. What? There's some on the top?
This giant laser demogorgon things. Then enough to overstep you, Mr. Gladiator.
Where's the final guy? Oh, there he is. He just dies instantly. He literally just dies instantly due to my boat. No! You did that! Zombie raptor, bro. Carter, shoot the core! Shoot the core! Shoot the core! Hit the core!
Whoa, Mr. Gladiator! Mr. Sassy Pants. Nice! What in the world just happened? How you doing?
Lily! Shh! Get the core! Get the core!
Try. Did I do it?
No, I did.
I did.
Headshot.
Victory.
Okay, now I gotta get more energy.
Shield back.
There we go. Now I got faster energy recharge and more energy.
Did I do good?
Yes, you're doing kind of good. I can't see.
I'm mowing the dead. Still alive. Just doesn't want to move. I found him.
Where?
Maybe I lost him because of all this fog. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. This pillar. This pillar. Hey, you got him.
Victory.
Bow spam for the win.
I was pretty sure it was going to die.
Now we get to see more robots.
Maybe they will die. And these laser raptors see the humans.
Not yet.
Hopefully soon.
They want us to die.
Pretty much.
But I die like millions of times.
There we go. Now for energy. Now I can just become a minigun. You right, Mr. Special Guest?
Crash!
I barely even did a dent. Parker, take over its laser raptors!
Yeah! I'm sure the melee weapon guy. Did I do good?
Wait, what? I didn't see my character was play.
Play again? Mr. Gladiator.
Not really. I think this is the video. Well, thank you for watching. Gladiator Gaming and Special Guest out.